Hi guys, today I do want to show you how to crochet this amazing stitch, which is very pretty, I think, because the way it is done, it is really a beautiful stitch. Especially it has a lot of texture and it is perfect, especially for projects that need structure. So in this case I have used cotton, and if you can see here all the details of this stitch. So now let me show you how to crochet this stitch. First, let's crochet the desired amount of chain stitches. Then we will need the first row a single crochet row. So skip the first chain and insert in the second one and crochet a single crochet. I will continue until the end of the row. It doesn't matter the quantity. So once the first row with single crochet is done, now on the second row I will do one chain, I will turn my work like this, and now on the second row we will need one more row with single crochet. So continue the second row again, single crochet. So this is the base of the stitch. Once I finish the 2 rows with single crochet, I will make one chain, turn my work. Now I will start the pattern that will show that effect. So I am going to insert first the hook at the first stitch, pull one loop, and I will keep this on the hook, and again I will insert now the hook at the base one more time. So the first at the top of the single crochet, and then the next stitch I will insert and I will pull one loop from the base, from the end here, where these 2 single crochet rows connected are. So the next one I pull it from down, so now I have 3 loops. Now the last loop that we pulled, I will make it go through the second one like this, and I have 2 loops now, and then I'm going to just yarn over one more time and close, and this is the stitch. So one more time, insert the hook, pull through, and then again insert the hook at the bottom of the stitch and pull through another stitch. So now the first stitch, the first loop will go through the second one. And now one more time, yarn over and pull through, close these last 2 loops. So insert the hook at the top of the stitch, pull one loop, insert the hook at the bottom of the stitch and pull one loop, and through, yarn over, pull through. And I don't know if you can see here what is forming with this stitch. So let me try it one more time. Insert the hook, pull through, insert the hook at the bottom, pull through, yeah. So this is how the stitch is done. I will go like this until the end. So here we are, and this we have the full pattern. This stitch has a front side and a back side. So this is the front side of the stitch and this is the back side of the stitch. To crochet this stitch, you will need to go 2 rows. Okay, so let me show you how to start again the row to crochet this stitch. So one more chain and turn your work. Now we are going to crochet on each stitch in the back side. We're going to crochet 1 single crochet on each stitch until the end. So here it is. Once we crocheted the full row with single crochet, Now one chain, turn your work, and now we are going to crochet the same what we did in the previous row. So we are going to insert the hook in the next stitch, pull a loop, and then at the bottom we're going to pull another loop, and the first loop through the second loop, and then yarn over and close the last 2 loops. So just the same as we did, and pull one loop from the bottom of the stitch again, then pull through, yarn over, pull through. And this is how this stitch is done. So let me go to the end. Okay, you guys, here it is. This is how this stitch is done. You are just going to repeat the same pattern that I did at the previous row, 1 single crochet, and then go back and do the pattern as I showed you. So I really hope this pattern is something that you like. I'm pretty sure with more thick yarn it will be even more visible and more pretty. So I hope that you liked this stitch and this tutorial. If so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I will see you on my next one. Bye!